Hi everyone, I'm creating this short video using this website called Screencast-O-Matic. I'm showing you quickly how we can create a video that we can show our students just like we would be teaching a reading lesson in class. So I've opened up the event summary chart already, as well as the story. And I just wanted to show how easy it would be to record what's going on your screen, just as though you would if you were doing it on the smartboard within the classroom. So because I have all these windows open already, I can go ahead and start playing the story. We are talking about key events and creating a summary from those. So I could very easily jump back and forth between these events. I can press play and it will record whatever is going on my screen right into the video.
Justice in Eatonville, an excerpt from Zora and Me by Victoria Bond.
I don't want to waste too much time playing the story. These videos are limited to about 15 minutes, very short and sweet. But again, I could talk, read, I can use the tools right here on the screen. If I wanted to type something in the margins, I can do that, and the students would be able to see it and annotate along with me right in their book at home. And then I could also highlight if I needed to using my tools. Again, the students can see everything that we are doing. If I needed to jump over and type something into my chart, anything that I'm doing on my screen, they can see. Okay, these are very simple lessons that we can do, things that we can do for the students to see as we carry on or attempt to carry on our learning at a distance. The videos are limited to 15 minutes, which is great because, again, these mini lessons will be easy for the students to do. And again, thinking about that students may not be following along with us just like we would in class. We're not going to be having structured environments, but at least we would have the ability for them to go back and watch these videos at their leisure and complete the work with us in real time. We'll talk about this more in our discussion at SAC. Thanks for watching.